I started my working career in manufacturing. I worked in various high-volume facilities, mostly in assembly and building parts, the same part, over and over and over again. And I actually enjoyed it. I really did. I've always enjoyed manufacturing. I've always enjoyed seeing how you take a rough piece of metal or stock and turn it into something that's marketable. And it's pretty impressive and it's pretty rewarding when you pull that part off of the machine and know that you just achieved that. You know, you just manufactured that. You just machined that part and completed it. And that could go to anywhere in the world. You were just part of something pretty fantastic. After working in a facility for a long time as a machine operator, that I wanted to get some more training. So I enrolled in college when I had the opportunity. The opportunity arose to take part in the MOTP class, the Machine Operator Training Program for Emerson, Fisher Controls. And I thought that'd be a great opportunity to get my foot in the door at an excellent company. Took the course, learned, you know, everything I could possibly want to know about machining without actually, you know, taking part in a ton of the machining process, but got a great foundation of what to expect.
We get great students from there because a lot of the programs they go through don't just teach the technical side of skills. They teach the interpersonal side, or remind people of the interpersonal side and how important that is. We get people that have great work ethic. I think that's a trait of the state of Iowa without question, and certainly Marshalltown. But we get people who want to be here. They know the reputation of our company, which has been around for 133 years. They know the reputation of the leadership here, I think, and co-workers and fellow employees. And so we get folks to become a part of this because they want to share that culture. So we have great employees that really care about being here.
20 years ago, when my grandfather was in the facility, you ran everything on a hand machine, and you had to be precise. Every time you touched the dial, you had to be perfect and where you needed to be. Nowadays, you can tell the machine where you need to be and it will cut. My advice to anybody that would like to work with their hands is definitely look for a manufacturing role. The industry is geared towards people just like them.
Take a good, strong look at it. If you're not somebody who's going to be interested in going to medical school or to be an engineer or an accountant or whatever, take a good look at a middle skilled position here. Get some additional training at your local community college as a machine operator, a welder, a maintenance person, and it opens a lot of doors. I think the biggest thing about manufacturing right now is that there is a huge disconnect between what people think it is and what it really is. Without question, manufacturing is not what it was back when my father or grandfather were working in a manufacturing plant. It's very much computerized and controlled, clean environments, highly technological, offering huge skilled type positions for people as they move forward. There's incredibly talented people, both technically and otherwise, within these organizations. There's a ton of career paths that people can take. And quite frankly, to avail yourself to those, you just need to have that bent towards manufacturing, and companies like Fisher may be exactly what you need.